I used to have a hard time getting pretty much anything done during my days, especially anything creative. But once I found the perfect morning routine, I unlocked energy I didn't even know I had and started to love my super productive mornings. And you can too. Do you ever find yourself feeling super tired or sluggish in the mornings? You kind of drag your feet or rely on coffee to wake you up? Or even if you aren't sluggish, you don't feel like you could be creative before work? Here's some things that work for me, and perhaps some of these things will work for you too. The slow wake up. When I'm setting my alarm for the next morning, I actually plan to snooze, but only for so long. I set my alarm way too early, and then I set a couple extra alarms just in case, so that by the time we get to the time I need to wake up, it's not a problem. Morning meditation. Once I'm awake, the first thing I do in the morning is I meditate. Now that may seem counterintuitive to a lot of you, but when you're sleeping, it's actually your mind that goes to sleep, and when you meditate, you're putting your body into rest. Personally, I use the Ziva technique, which I learned from the book Stress Less, Accomplish More by Emily Fletcher. As part of this little routine, I get myself out of bed first, I set my coffee ready to go, I go brush my teeth, and I come back to my bed and I meditate for 15 to 20 minutes before moving on with my day. When I do this, I find that I have more energy in the mornings, my body is relaxed, I don't feel the need for caffeine, and it's just so short and effective. General grooming. This one's kind of practical and boring, but after I'm done meditating, I press the go button on the coffee, go put in my contacts, take care of other grooming things, and then get myself ready to start the day. Drink 3 to 4 glasses of cold water. Okay, I know not everybody subscribes to this, but personally, I find that I'm super dehydrated in the mornings, and then I'm about to drink 3 cups of coffee. So, I don't want to continue to dehydrate myself. Drinking 3 to 4 glasses of water right away first thing helps stave off that dehydration. Some people also think that it kickstarts your metabolism. I'm not sure that the science is really there on that. And the reason that I like to drink glasses of cold water, not room temperature water, is because that cool feeling as it goes down your throat and into your body helps wake me up personally. Culinary Delights. The next thing I do is I like to sit down at my desk with a bowl of cereal and my first hot cup of coffee next to me while I take care of some menial tasks. This means checking some light email stuff, looking at Playbill.com and Backstage, checking the family photo stream for any shared photos, and while I do this, I listen to YouTube videos or to podcasts so I can just get my brain working for the day. And who knows, maybe I'll learn something cool in the mornings. Sometimes it happens. By the way, if you're enjoying this video or getting some ideas, I would really appreciate if you give it a little like. It helps spread the information to more people. Thanks. Dig into the inbox. As I'm finishing my first cup of coffee, I like to then go back to my inbox and respond to any of those emails that I know will weigh on my mind if I don't just get to them right now. It gets them out of the way and then I don't have to think about it. Wake up my brain. Some people like to do puzzles or crosswords or Sudoku, but for me, I've been relearning French in my mornings. Learning languages is one of the best ways to wake up the sleepy parts of your brain. It's like a puzzle on steroids. Pour my last cup of coffee and go to work. After this admittedly lengthy morning routine, it does take about an hour or so. I like to bring my morning with me as I pour my last cup of coffee and I sit down to get started on my creative work. What do you do? Comment below if any of this would be helpful to you or if you have other things that you do that might help other people. And you can find more tips to help kickstart your daily creativity by watching this video next. Thank you all for being here with me today, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers!